How to add a clickable phone number to Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a clickable phone number to Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading commerce platform designed to empower businesses of all sizes to sell products online and in person, in which it also supports entrepreneurs, small teams, and global brands by providing tools to create customizable online stores, manage sales, and grow their businesses. And Shopify also offers a feature such as AI-driven product descriptions, mobile-friendly themes, multi-channel integration, and a highly optimized checkout system. And now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description or click the login button or start free trial button on the top right corner. After signing in, you'll be able to be directed on this homepage of Shopify. And to start adding a clickable phone number, it will show you in the left side panel in here some of the options to navigate. But we need to proceed by clicking the online store button in here and click the themes. Upon clicking themes option below, just simply click the customize on this current theme in here. Upon clicking the customize, you'll be able to be directed on our online store in here, where we can start editing every element details of our store in here. But to proceed, there's a variety way and start adding a clickable phone number in Shopify. We can add here a different kind of blocks by clicking this add blocks button, but we'll show you some of the blocks in here that is only a text. But you can simply search a button in here if you want to. Or alternatively, start customizing the announcement bar in here by clicking on it. It will show us under this text the option to navigate. For example, I'm going to enter the text, "Need more info? Call us now." And under the paste, links, or search, you can simply enter here your telephone number or directed it in a page where there is a phone number that they can contact. But at this point, I'm just going to enter here, for example, telephone number and also the code of your phone number depending on your country or origin. So basically, the idea is that when the customer or the viewer try to click the announcement bar on the top panel, they will be able to see the telephone number that they can contact. And that's the first method on how to do it or how to add a clickable phone number. The other one is by using the button in here. So we can start customizing this button that says Shop All by clicking on it. On the left side panel, we can start changing the label of it into Call Us. And under this link, you could also change the link for this kind of button will be redirected our customer or viewer. You can add here or choose different kind of page, blog posts, collections. But for example, since if you start entering here the telephone number in here as we did on the announcement bar, it will not be able to be saved in here. Such as for example entering here this phone number, it will just be deleted at this point. Now in order to start creating here this kind of phone number clickable in Shopify, we can redirect the customer into the contact us details or the contact us page. Since if we try to save this and go to preview section and click on the announcement bar in here, it will not be able to be clickable. And also in the button option that we did earlier, by entering here this phone number or linking it in here, you will not be able to enter here or click on it. So to properly do it, the first thing that we need to do is to simply change the Call Us Now button in here and redirect to our contact page section. So basically, if the viewers or customer try to click the Call Us button in here, they will be directed on the contact pages and it will show us the phone number or telephone number that they can contact or call. But to start customizing the contact pages, just click these contact pages in here and it will show us in here all of the details and elements it contains. But as you can see, there is no telephone number included. So to add one, just click this add section in here, or we can add here different kind of text, rich text, image with banner, slideshow, collage, multi-column, and many more. But in those options, I'm going to choose rich text since I'm just going to enter here the phone number. So in this, I'm going to start customizing this context on the left side panel once again that says talk about your brand. And instead, I'm going to enter here need more info, call us. Then after that, the description below here, I'm going to choose to navigate and customize the context into our telephone number or mobile number in here. So basically, when a customer try to click the call us button in our homepage, they will be directed in here, where it will show us in here the details, this telephone number that they can call in here. We could also change the label of the button in here once again. And after that, you can now start saving the changes on the top right corner in order to save it. But going back to this page, you could also do the different kind of methods by clicking the pages option in here on the left side panel. Then proceed by clicking this contact, and upon clicking on contact, from here under the description, you could also start entering here the details description of it. For example, from here I'm going to enter, if you need more info, call us here. And to make it hyperlink the text on this here, all you need to do is simply select here and click the insert link button. On this pop-up window, you can simply enter or choose the link and also the link title once again in here. So under the link info or the external link, make sure that once the customer click on the specific link or this here button, they can see this link title, which is this phone number or telephone number that they can call, which is also clickable on our Shopify store. Since adding a clickable phone number to our Shopify store is important for enhancing customer trust, improving user experience, and increasing conversions. And overall, that is just basically how you can add a clickable phone number to your Shopify. Thank you.